Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now, power off the watch, and remove the band so nothing rotates during placement. Use a bright lamp and lay a microfiber cloth on a flat surface to catch debris. Open the protector packet carefully. Keep the liner on until alignment. Once you have your dust stickers and squeegee ready, position the protector over the screen without touching adhesive. Make sure to work quickly but steadily. This first alignment decides whether bubbles or dust become a problem. Once aligned, peel roughly 1/3 of the backing and create a hinge with tape on the opposite side. That keeps placement stable. Lower the exposed edge, then slowly peel the rest while pressing the center and pushing out toward the edges with a card or squeegee. If using a wet method, spray a tiny amount of solution first. This lets you slide and center before final push. Take your time. Every press you make smooths adhesive and prevents trapped pockets of air. After the protector seats, press firmly along the edges for 30 to 60 seconds to set the adhesive. Use the squeegee to push residual bubbles toward an exit. Small bubbles usually disappear within hours as the glue cures. If you spot dust, gently lift the nearest corner and dab the dust with a piece of tape, then reseat the protector. Make sure to avoid stretching. Once done, wait about 24 hours before exposing the watch to water or heavy wear.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.